Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill it. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, the Tower, 7 of Wands and 6 of Cups. For some, right now you are in separation with your person. For some, you are going through a lot right now in your life. And 7 of Wands energy, you are very defensive. You are protecting your emotions. And 6 of Cups, I think you are thinking about someone a lot. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Maybe there is no commitment in this connection. This person is in and out of your life, Sagittarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, the World, and 8 of Pentacles. Some cycles are already ended between you and your person. Some new cycles are going to be begin. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. I think you started self-love. You are loving yourself more than anyone else. And 8 of Pentacles is here. So you are very focused on your career. You are creating more money. Present 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. I think they are in and out of your life. They may be neglecting you. They may be rejecting you. There is one type of neglecting. And 6 of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. And you are focusing on your money. You are creating more money, new opportunities, and stability in money is coming, finances for Sagittarius. I think money is very, very good for you. And especially in relationship wise, definitely there is no equal give and take. You only the person, always there for your person, but they are always in and out of your life. Future Justice, the Fool, and 7 of Pentacles. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life and you want a brand new beginnings with yourself. You want to be in the present moment, going with the flow, living in the present moment. And 7 of Pentacles, but still somewhere you are waiting for this person. Maybe you still have hopes on this person. Maybe for some, a past person may be returning for new beginnings. Very few, because the Justice with Fool, someone is coming for new beginnings. And the person involved in this connection could be lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Libra, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Saggy, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Hermit, Chariot, and 3 of Swords, and Empress. So 3 of Swords energy, for some, those who are in separation right now, your person missing you so much because 3 of Swords. And Chariot, the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Cancer. So right now your person going through some transformation. Yes, they want to make some action towards you, but they are in very, very slow moving energy. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Sagittarius. Here a lot of earth energy, guys. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. Temperance, maybe the person involved in this connection could be another Sagittarius. Yeah, they do love you, Sagittarius. Right now your person is stuck. They're patiently waiting for right time and your person is very independent. emotionally. They are very independent person. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. For some third party involved in this connection, could be friends, family. They're planning to communicate with you. I think in recently you received communication from your person, and if not in near future, definitely you will receive communication because they are planning to communicate. Right now they're stuck and they do love you. So let's see their intentions. Sagittarius, let's see their intentions towards you. Two of Swords, Queen of Cups, Star. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. I think for some you are in separation with this person, for some no contact. If you are in relationship with this person right now, this is in and out, maybe on and off connection. Your person is in and out of your life. So they want rebirth in this connection. They're wishing, they're hoping for this connection. But your person is at some crossroads. Maybe they have to make some decision regarding this relationship. Sagittarius, Two of Swords. That's why they're patiently waiting. Maybe they're waiting for right time. But they do love you. They still have hopes on this connection. Yes, for some you will receive communication from your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. Ace of Swords, communication with clarity, and Four of Cups. Yeah, you will receive some communication with clarity from your person. And Four of Cups, yeah, right now they're feeling alone, missing you so much. Definitely they want second chances with you. Justice, Libra. Right now your person healing and they are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they really want second chances with you, but circumstances are not in your control, maybe in your person control. I think you are also at some crossroads, Sagittarius, because you don't know which decision you have to make, because this person is always in and out of your life. They saying one time one thing but doing another thing. I think there is no clarity. Clarity is missing in this connection. Yeah, they do love you, they have feelings for you, but I think there is no upgrade in this relationship. This is like they also have no clarity. Two of Swords energy, and you also in Two of Swords energy. You both are mirroring, and you also going through some transformation. I think this is a big lesson. This relationship is big lesson for both of you. And Three of Swords with Nine of Cups. Definitely both are on the same page. They also missing you, and you also missing them, and you also wishing for this person. Wow, you both mirroring each other. So let's see mutual energies. Six of Swords with Two of Cups. Yes, you both want to fix the things between both of you, and this is a mutual love. But you both are in separation right now, but things will get better in near future because this is a mutual love. It depends on your situation. For some it will take less time, for some it will take more time, but this is a mutual love. In future there will be communication between you and your person to fix the things. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Stability is coming, true love, healing, your pure perfection, second chance. Wow, stability is coming, true love, healing, your pure perfection, and second chance. I need some space now. So these are the messages from your person and through the channel. Under the deck, luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Definitely Sagittarius. Now luck is on your side, especially new moon in Sagittarius. It's Sagittarius reading and Sagittarius energy. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio, Scorpio energy. So if you are thinking about your person negatively or anyone negatively, this is the time for you to release all those negative thoughts and negative emotions, and don't let your past hold you back. So if you have any past, if you're holding, don't do that. Do meditation and release all your past. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.